اوكي
الحين ترجع تعوض المعادله عندك تربط الاو اتش بالاتش
let's see what happened for the first bottle. If we add one, thank you very much, Ahmed. If we add 1 millimole of NaOH, well, so this amount is equal to 0.001 mole per liter. 0.001 mole per liter of NaOH. We don't have any extra NaOH in our bottle, so the only molecule that we have in pure water is NaOH. So we have 0.01 mole of NaOH in this water. We can easily solve the equation. We use this equation, pH is equal to minus logarithm of H or minus logarithm of OH. Easily. So the amount of OH is 10 power to 2. So if you solve this equation, I do not want to learn you to teach you mathematics. So we don't need the solve of equation, but the pOH of this equation is equal to 2. We know that pH and pOH is equal to 14. So when pOH is 2, therefore pH is 12. We can see that pH changes from 7 to 12. 5 units. On the other hand, we have 10 millimole HA and 10 millimole A. So if we add 1 millimole OH, this substance neutralizes 1 millimole of acid. This is base. So this substance neutralizes 1 millimole of our acid. So we have a decline in our acid to 9, from 10 to 9. From 10 to 9. On the other hand, 1 mole of base add to the base. So we have an increase of 1 unit to our base, 10 to 11. Acid decrease, base increases. Acid decrease from 10 to 9, base increase from 10 to 11. So we should use Anderson-Hasselbalch equation. pH is equal to, we know the pK, 7 plus. Look, 11 per 9, you can divide this, and the pH is equal to 7.09. Just a change from 7 to 7.09. Only 0.09 changes in the pH. Very low change. So, if you have a buffer in your body, you can see that there is no change in pH. Any question?
Yes. بس هنا QOH كمان اللي بشوفه هو الصحيح
P of H, here or here. Okay, well, very cool. It is very easy. The amount of OH and AOH is added to solution. So, the amount of AOH is 1 millimole per 100 ml. If we change it to mole per liter, the amount is this. So, we have a concentration of 0.01 mole per liter of OH. This is our concentration. Concentration of OH is this amount, this number. So, we know that POH is logarithm. You can easily calculate this, and this is equal to 2 minus log 0.01. You can calculate it with your calculator. This is equal to 2.
Okay, we have to memorize it or not?
No need to
For
memorize
the
it.
exam.
No need to memorize. Although this is the easiest calculation that you have learned in Iran and your very low grade in your study, during your study. I don't know what about Iran. If the equation is with mole, if the unit was in mole, not millimole, you don't need to change the unit. No problem.
Look for the second one. Can you show us the second one?
The second one, this one?
Yes.
Well,
Equation that you.
the equation that you use for this type of questions, you should use this equation, which is Anderson-Hasselbalch equation. Why? Because here you have a buffer, not just a simple OH or H. You have a buffer with both sides of equation. I mean, both acid and base. So you need to use Anderson-Hasselbalch equation to solve this equation.
بس شو يصير الاختلاف بين البي اتش والبي اتش الناصر؟ فرق ان انا 5 وانا اول 9. هسه من هذا ان انا طلع البي اتش مالتنا الفرق 5
هذا
بس طلع
معاصر أمريكا بس تصدق كي أشكا فرق كسر جوله ولا بينا نحاول نقول وصل بينس يونت ولا وكي أولا 0.0 فرق أول سي.
Because we don't have buffer in this solution. The main difference between these two solutions is that we have a buffer and we don't have a buffer. We want to show you that the importance of buffer in our body. Buffers in our body don't let pH to change extremely. The changes of pH is very small. What is your buffers what is the buffers in your body? You have different buffers. Blood buffers. The main blood buffers is this buffer. Bicarbonate buffer. This is the main buffer in our body. Bicarbonate buffer. Other buffer in blood, hemoglobin. What is the material of hemoglobin? Hemoglobin is consisted from no, is consisted from amino acids, or it is a subtype of proteins. So you should know that proteins, one of the proteins function is their bufferic actions, their bufferic rules. So proteins are buffers. Proteins are buffers. tissue buffer in muscle, in bone. We have a very important buffer in bone, in our body. CaCO3 is the main buffer in our bones. Please write it. Intracellular buffer, the main buffer in our cells, not in our blood. In cells is phosphate buffer. The other buffer is protein buffer. We have a very important buffer in our urine. Do you know what is urine?
Yes.
Two buffers we have in our urine. The first one is phosphate buffer, and the most important one is ammonia buffer. I mean NH4 plus.
هذا امونيا.
Ammonia. Or in English, ammonia. Well, do you know what is the pH of our urine? Around the pH is our urine is more acidic rather than basic. More acidic rather than basic. Do you have any question?
احنا قاعد نص ساعة. وين نزل من نحكي كان يوم ماشي فيه. ما خيل خستي. خيل خستي.
Khayli Kasta.
Kasta?
I am not fast. I am good. However, I can speak Persian. But we don't Khayli Kasta in Farsi. Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you.